Hello there! Before I go to the grocery, I need to check kung anong vegetable meron kami. So, hindi ko na siya bibilihin. Okay. Okay. Let's go on the other side. Green bell pepper and then red bell pepper. Hi, now I want to show you how we do the grocery here in Japan. So this is Ion, a small grocery here in our town. Before doing the grocery, I usually eat breads here. Do you know that Japan breads are so masarap? Yeah, this one I like. Oh, before the COVID, they don't have a plastic, right? Now, everything they put inside the plastic. Wow. That one, masarap. Say hello to my bodyguard. Yeah, this one also. I know what you want. Kare. Kare. So now we start. So bago ko pumunta ng grocery, chinecheck ko muna kung ano yung mga tanim namin. But this time, medyo konti pa lang yung tanim namin. Pa-start pa lang siya, so mamimili ako ng vegetable. Tingnan nyo kung gaano kamahal yung vegetable dito. I'll show you. So we start by lettuce. Lettuce, 128. So mga 64 pesos siya isa. This one, 150. 79. Para hindi kayo malito, just divide by 2. That's a peso. Oh my god. Broccoli. Blue 57. Ang kiwi sa Japan is super sweet. But, tingnan mo yung price. 138. So, 79 pesos isa. Almost. Oh gosh. Mahal, diba? And tingnan yung banana dito, Dole. Del Monte. Yan. Del Monte from Mindanao, Philippines. Hello, Philippines. Okay. Tingnan natin ang size. So, $213. So, 213. So, 106 for 4 pieces of banana. Takay. Guys, ito ang melon sa Japan. Ganito lang siya kalaki. Tingnan mo yung price. 2,138. So, nasa 1,070 pesos isa. Sobrang mahal. Ang gintong melon. One more thing masarap in Japan is the tofu. Guys, you should try the tofu in Japan. Minsan kasi nasanay na tayo ng ramen, sushi. But i-share ko sa inyo yung mga iba pang masasarap na pagkain. Cucumber. 62. So, 31 pesos ang isa. O, bongga, diba? 321. So, 3 pieces is 160 pesos. Onion 170. So, 3 pieces for 85 pesos. Lemon, 105. So, like 50 pesos isa. Garlic, 105. So, like 50 pesos dalawa. One tray of eggs, 246. So, 123. For 10 pieces. Divide to nyo na lang ha. So, salmon. 361 dalawa. Yung shrimp, 278. Siguro mga 12 pieces lang po. Mahal din dito yung mga squid. Like ito, 429. So, 200 pesos na po. Yung fish din, ito. 100 pesos isang fish. Oh. Isa pang masarap dito is malapit na mag-winter. So, marami kaming mga hot pot soup. Yeah. Usually, I'm buying the miso and kimchi. Yan. Add mo na ng vegetable and some meat. Good for winter. And of course, ang salad dressing. Hindi mawawala ang famous deep roasted sesame dressing. And guys, ito sa totoo lang, nung una ako sa Japan, I really hate curry. Hindi ako makain ng curry. They call it curry. Yeah. But when you try, it's so masarap. Try this one. The golden curry. And kung ayaw nyo naman ng curry taste, merong isang masarap. We call it stew. So, cream base siya. You just put the pork, potato, any vegetable that you like. Pwede siya. Pwedeng asparagus. Then, see, carrots. Masarap siya. Ako nilalagyan ko siya ng milk. This one, and then milk. Perfect. And guys, I wanna share with you my favorite place dito sa grocery is the spices. Kasi dito nakadiscover ako ng pagpagod ka na magluto. Ito, oh, lagay mo lang to, German potato, anchovy potato, and then ito pinaka-favorite ko, lemon pepper chicken, rosemary chicken. I'm doing the vlog, then calling me Big Bad. Yeah. Look how expensive the beef. Like 15, so 700, 400, pork, 300 pesos na to, one slab, 300. Wings, like 4 pieces of wings, like 100 pesos na. The price get high, right?
Since COVID.
Then since pandemic, that's why. Yeah, even chicken. 5 pieces of chicken. See, like 130 pesos. Ground beef, 300 pesos. One more thing masarap in Japan is their coffee. This is my favorite blendee and Cafe Latori. This is so masarap. They also have a flavored one, but I stick to this. Not so sweet. And Maxim also. Yeah. The tour. And UCC. Okay, sorry. This is coffee. I always do my own iced coffee. It's either the Nescafe Gold, Extra or Georgia. Then add the fresh milk. Meiji fresh milk. And this one. Perfect. This is the cold tea. My favorite one is this. So pang masarap here are the cheese. This one. Cheese with the almond, cheese with salami taste, smoke flavor, and my favorite wasabi cheese. Pag kinatama talaga akong magluto, ito lang, gyoza. This Ajinomoto, masarap to. I'll try this one already. So, hindi talaga ako papaya. Tignan mo naman ang mga ice cream. Hershey's. Almond chocolate ice cream bar. Gana. Oh my. Oh my. Hi. Haagen-Dazs. So, I've done my job. So, it's my husband's turn. It's his job to pay. So, every grocery, I always have this bag. Yeah. Because you need to pay for the plastic bag here. So, ito pa lang, isang lapad na siya. So, nasa 5,000 na to.
8,595 円です。現金をお入れください。
This is how we pay here.
Anybody got a prescription, yeah, for this love pain? Anybody got a pill I could pop for this love?